Hey, everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a Fillable PDF form for free. Whether you need it for students, clients, or customers, this form allows them to input text, check boxes, and even choose from a drop-down menu, all without needing fancy software or spending a dime. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step is creating your form or worksheet, and for this, we'll be using Canva, an easy-to-use design tool. If you don't already have a Canva account, don't worry. Once you've signed up and logged in, head over to your Canva homepage and click on Create a Design. We'll be using either a standard US letter or A4 document size, which you can find by simply searching for A4 document. Now, you can either start with a blank page or use one of Canva's templates. Just click on a templates and search for a form or a worksheet. You'll see tons of templates to choose from, but feel free to customize it as you like. Once you've picked your template or created your form from scratch, it's time to enter your questions or prompts. Keep it simple, just type in the text you need, and don't worry about adding checkboxes or fields just yet. We'll take care of that in the next step. Here's one. You can add whatever you need for your specific purpose. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download the file. When you're ready, head over to a share, then click on a download. Make sure to select PDF Standard. This is the format we need for the next tool. Choose the pages you want to include, click Done, and then Download. Once it is downloaded, create a new tab. Then click on the search bar. Then search for Docfly. Now, let's make this form Fillable. Head over to Docfly, a free online PDF editor. You don't even need to sign up. Just drag and drop your PDF into Docfly's editor. Once it is uploaded, select the PDF file. Then click on the Edit section on the top. Then click on Edit PDF. Once your file is uploaded, switch over to the Form Creator mode. This is where we'll add all those Fillable fields, like text boxes, checkboxes, and drop-down menus. Let's start with a simple text field. For example, I've got a question asking about full name. Just click Text Field, drag it to the appropriate spot, and adjust the size as needed. You can test how it looks by typing something in. You can also change the color of the text and even the background color of the field to make it stand out. Simply head to the settings on the right, and choose the colors that work best for your design. Next, let's add some checkboxes. Click on Checkbox field, place it wherever you need, and just like with the text field, you can customize the color and even the symbol. Want a cross instead of a checkmark? No problem. You can also move and resize the checkboxes so they align perfectly with your text. Now for something a little different, a drop-down menu. Click on a drop-down field, place it, and then type in your options. You can add as many options as you need, and even allow users to input custom answers. You can add anything you want. Once you're done, you can test it by selecting from the drop-down, just like someone filling out the form would. When you've finished adding all your fields, click Save. After that, you'll see an option to export your Fillable PDF. Simply click a download, and now you've got a fully functional Fillable form. As you can see that it is downloaded. After this, open the PDF file. Once it is opened, now you can fill the PDF form as you want. You can now share this Fillable PDF with your clients, students, or colleagues. They'll be able to type in their answers, check boxes, and select options with ease. And that's it. You've just created a Fillable PDF form, all for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this.